Je préempte, pardon, juste parce que c'est sur le même sujet, donc je voudrais entendre Pierre éventuellement répondre.
I've got another question on the same subject as Ronnie. I think there are 300 candidate vaccines, if I'm not mistaken, though it's quite, mind-boggling, as it were. Do you think it's possible to test out all these vaccines? How could you possibly organize trials for all these vaccines? How are you going to practically test these vaccines, or how are they going to go through all the hurdles needed? Well, not all 300 are going to be marketed. Let's take the dozens of trials on HCQ, an existing drug. There is nothing in the French system that could prevent people, each hospital carrying out its own trial. Because there is no authority whatsoever in France that would force hospital representatives to work together, and that's only for a drug that is already in existence. So, can you imagine what is going to happen for vaccines that are totally new? There's no level of control whatsoever. Everybody's just waiting for the vaccine, and people are very happy to see that there's a lot of competition and there are 300 candidates, and everybody hopes that there's going to be some that will make it. However, all these vaccines are going to be able to enroll patients for the first phases, of course, but maybe not afterwards. And also, there's one thing you need to bear in mind. You've got this totally madman, Trump, who would like to get just anything out there on the market. And of course, the pharmaceutical industry is very cautious, is very wary of marketing a vaccine that isn't fully tested. Then you've got Putin, who is arguing along another line. So I think that pharmaceutical companies may have an interest in standing out from the crowd and saying, mine is better because it's fully tested, just to stand out from, the startup companies that are just embarking on or jumping on the bandwagon to produce a vaccine. And I think it's going to be pretty effective. It's going to mean that a lot of these candidate vaccines are not going to make it.